Hello friends, Umar with you. In the previous video, we discussed about chemicals as medicines. In this video, we would be discussing about simple programming. Friends, programming is very easy. There are certain applications which make programming as simple as A, B, C. Scratch is one of them. Scratch is available in 40 different languages and in more than 150 different countries. Without wasting time, let's begin. Sprite. Friends, what is Sprite? Sprite is an object in Scratch which is a person, an animal, a fictional character or a thing that performs actions as per the given instructions. Over here, this is the sprite. This is the cat sprite and it is the default sprite of Scratch. Stage. Stage is the background of a project. The sprites are placed on the stage. Here, the sprites interact and the stories, games and animations come to life. This is the stage. Blocks. Blocks are the instructions given to a sprite to perform various actions. Move 10 steps, turn 15 degrees anti-clockwise, point in direction 90, change x by 10, set y by 10, etc. are blocks. They have different functions. Scripts are a series of blocks of instructions. Friends, move 10 steps and turn 15 degrees clockwise are two different blocks. They have different functions. With the help of move 10 steps, I can make my sprite move 10 steps forward. With the help of turn 15 degrees, I can make my sprite turn 15 degrees clockwise. But when I combine both these blocks together as a jigsaw puzzle, I make a script. And the script will work like this when I will click on it. The sprite moved 10 steps forward and turned 15 degrees. Next, scripts area. Scripts area is the region where you drag and drop blocks to give instructions to a sprite. This is the scripts area where we drag blocks and arrange them in order to make a script. Blocks are categorized on the basis of their function and shape. Some of the block categories we know are motion, looks, sound and pen. Motion blocks contain instructions related to the movement of a sprite. Move 10 steps, turn 15 degrees clockwise, if one edge bounce, go to mouse pointer, come under motion block menu. These blocks deal with the movement of the sprite. Looks blocks contain instructions related to the appearance of a sprite. Say hello for 2 seconds, show, hide, go to front, set color effect to 0, next costume, come under looks block menu. Sound blocks. Sound blocks enable us to add background music, sound effects or dialogues to our Scratch projects. Play sound meow until done, stop all sounds, play drum 1 for 0.25 beats, rest for 0.25 beats, etc. are blocks which come under sound block menu. Next, pen block menu. Pen blocks provide the trail of a sprite. Instructions to change the color, size and shade of the trail are available under this category. This is the pen block menu and these are the blocks which come under pen block menu. Set pen size to 1, change pen shade by 10, pen up, pen down, stamp, clear. Control. Control blocks control the execution of the scripts. These are the control blocks. Wait 1 second, repeat 10, forever, if dash then, stop all, repeat until dash, wait until dash, etc. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it and comment down. Thank you.